Have you ever thought about becoming a vlogger? Imagined yourself capturing the world through your lens, sharing your unique perspective on life, and connecting with a global audience? Well, you're not alone. The world of vlogging has exploded over the past few years, and it's a fantastic way to express your creativity, share your passions, and even make a living. So, how do you get started? Step 1. Find your niche. This is the foundation of your vlogging journey. It could be anything that you're passionate about: cooking, gaming, travel, fashion, technology, or even your day-to-day life. The key is to choose something that you love and are knowledgeable about. This will make your content authentic and engaging. Step 2. Invest in the right equipment. While it's true that most smartphones today can shoot high-quality videos, investing in a good camera, an external microphone, and a tripod can significantly improve the quality of your vlogs. Remember, the better the quality of your videos, the more appealing they are to your viewers. Step 3. Learn how to edit. The magic of vlogging often happens in the editing room. It's where you can add music, text, special effects, and transitions to make your vlogs more engaging and entertaining. There are many editing software options available, some even for free. So choose one that suits your needs and learn how to use it. Step 4. Create and upload your first vlog. This might seem scary, but remember, everyone starts somewhere. Your first vlog doesn't have to be perfect. It's more important to start, learn, and improve as you go. Step 5. Promote your vlog. Use social media platforms to share your content and engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and build a community around your vlogs. Step 6. Stay consistent. Consistency is key in the world of vlogging. Try to upload new content on a regular schedule. This will keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. And finally, Step 7. Always be yourself. The most successful vloggers are those who are authentic and genuine. Don't try to be someone you're not. Your unique personality is what will set you apart in the crowded world of vlogging. So why wait? The world is ready to hear your story. Pick up that camera, find your passion, and start your vlogging journey today. Who knows? You might just become the next big thing in the world of vlogging.